Here's how you can install Node.js on your Mac. So simply go to Google and search for Node.js. Visit the official site, that is nodejs.org. Once you're on the website, head over to download. Select the version that you want. In my case, it's going to be Mac OS and the latest version. And simply head down and download the Mac OS installer .package file. Allow the download. Once the download is done, simply double click on it. Click on continue. Agree to the license agreement. You can choose your location if you want to customize any specific location where you want to get it installed. I'll proceed with the root directory. Click on install. Enter your password. Once this is done, we'll simply open the terminal and check if it was installed successfully. Yep, that's it. Now on Mac, press Command and Spacebar. This should open Spotlight Search. Search for terminal. Hit enter. Once the terminal is over, simply type node v and okay, my bad. Yep, just a single hyphen. Search for Node V, Node version, and here you have the latest version, that is 22.18.0. And this is the one that we downloaded. So you have successfully installed Node.js on your Mac. Thank you.